Good morning, all you math maniacs out there. Today's a great day to learn some math. So let's get started by multiplying mixed numbers times another mixed number. I put 3 steps for you at the top. So we're going to refer to those and keep going back to those. First step I have to do, because I can't multiply these whole numbers like we did when we would add them with mixed numbers. So what I need to do in this is I need to rename the 2 mixed fractions that I have to improper fractions. That way we can multiply straight across in step 2. If you remember, earlier in this unit, we would multiply to change these mixed numbers into impropers. We would take the denominator times the whole number, and then we would add the numerator. So 1 1/4 will become 5 fourths. My second mixed number, 2 2/3, I'm going to multiply the base or the denominator times the whole number, and then I'm going to add the numerator. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 becomes 8 thirds. Oh, and I didn't change that. Becomes 8 thirds. Step 2 now is really set up nicely for us. So all we have to do is multiply straight across. I'm going to take 5 times 8. My numerators become 5 times 8 is 40. And my denominators multiplied across is 4 times 3. So I have 40 twelfths. Now that's a big improper. So what I can do with this is I can change it, because we know how to do that. I can ask myself how many times, if you do it this way, or you can pull out groups of 12 twelfths. But in this case, if I take 12 and I ask myself how many times can 12 go into 40, I can take and multiply groups of 12. And I know that 2 groups of 12 is 24, and 3 groups of 12 I know is 36. So I have 3 wholes. Oh, that's pretty sloppy. Let me erase that. Oh, wrong one. So if I multiply that, 12, and I'm going to multiply that by 3 groups of 12, I know that becomes 36. So all I have to do is take away 36 from my numerator, and that leaves me with 4 left over, and I have twelfths. Now, this is a good way to leave it, because it is technically right now, as you did in step 3, rename the improper fraction in your product to a mixed number. We just did that. So this could be our answer. However, in this case, we can reduce it because 4 twelfths is not in lowest terms. So those of you that are ready for this and can challenge yourself, if I take 4, I know I can divide 4 by itself, and I can also divide 12 by 4. So my reduced product is going to be 3 1/3. Proper mixed number, reduced to lowest terms. Okay. I hope this helps. Thanks all you Mr. G math maniacs for following.